Good morning students, myself Vijay Badoria, Study Point Inter College Khairabad Sitapur. Today we are going to start exercise 3.5. First question is, which of the following pair of linear equations has unique solution, no solution, infinitely many solution? In case there is a unique solution, find it by using cross multiplication method. Find it by using cross multiplication method. Our first question is x minus 3y minus 3 equal to 0 and 3x minus 9y minus 2 equal to 0. X minus 3y minus 3 equal to 0. 3x minus 9y minus 2 equal to 0. First you have to find this is, it has unique solution. As you are seeing here, it is 1, a1 is 1 and a2 is 3. Okay, 1 upon 3, a1 upon a2 is, a1 upon a2 is 1 upon 3, and b1 upon b2, b1 upon b2, b1 is minus 3, b1 is minus 3, b2 is minus 9. Okay, minus minus cancels out, 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja, 1 upon 3. a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2. So and c1 upon c2, what will be the value of c1 upon c2? c1 is minus 3, c1 is minus 3 and c2 is minus 2. Minus minus cancels out, 3 upon 2. So a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2, not equal to c1 upon c2. In this case, it has not unique solution. Okay, this has, it has no solution. Okay, so in this you have to not, you will not use cross multiplication method. Check and in which you will find unique solution and apply the cross multiplication method. In this, a1 upon a2, second part, a1 is 2, a1 upon a2, a1 upon a2 equal to 2 upon 3, a1 is 2 and a2 is 3, a1x. Okay, b1 upon b2, b1 upon b2 equal to, b1 is 1, b2 is 2. Okay, a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, so it has unique solution, and in this you will use cross multiplication method. This has unique solution because a1 upon a2 not equal to b1 upon b2, so you will use unique solution. It has unique solution and you will use cross multiplication method. Okay, now see the second question. For which values of a and b does the following pair of linear equation have infinite number of solutions? For which values of a and b does the following pair of linear equations has infinite number of solutions? First is 2x plus 3y equal to 7. First equation is 2x plus 3y equal to 7, and second is a minus bx plus a plus by equal to 3a plus b minus 2. How will you solve this? First equation is 2x plus 3y equal to 7, and second is a minus bx plus a plus by 3a plus b minus 2. Change this equation in the form a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. So shift 7 this side, 2x plus 3y minus 7 equal to 0. So a1 is 2, b1 is 3 and c1 is minus 7. So a1 is 2, b1 is 3, c1 is minus 7. Compare this equation as a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So a2 is a minus b, b2 is a plus b, and c2 is minus 3a plus b minus 2, minus 3a plus b minus 2. Okay, c2 is, your c2 is minus 3a plus b minus 2. Okay, for infinite number of solutions. Okay, because in the question Question is saying you have to find the values of a and b for the infinite number of solution. Infinite number of solution, we are having the case for infinite number of solution a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2. Okay, a1 is 2, a2 is a minus b, 2 upon a minus b. Okay, b1 upon b2, b2 is 3, b1 is 3 and b2 is a plus b, so 3 upon a plus b and equal to c1 upon c2. c1 is minus 7 and c2 is minus 3a plus b minus 2. Minus minus will cancel out, so it will remain 2 upon a minus b, 3 upon a plus b equal to 7 upon 3a plus b minus 2. 7 upon 3a plus b minus 2. Now compare first these two terms. 2 upon a minus b equal to 3 upon a plus b. 2 upon a minus b equal to 3 upon a plus b. Cross multiply. A plus b will go that side. 2a plus b, 3 a minus b. Okay, 2 into a 2a plus 2b, 3 into a 3a minus 3b. 2a minus, shift 3a this side, 2a minus 3a. Okay, because here 3a is plus, it will come here, it will minus. Here it is 2b plus, shift minus 3b this side, so it will plus 3b equal to 0. 2a minus 3a minus a, 2a plus 3b, 5b equal to 0. Minus a equal to, shift 5b that side, 0 minus 5b will 0 minus 5b. Minus a equal to minus 5b, minus minus will cancel out, equal to 5b. Okay, now take these two terms. 3 upon a plus b equal to 7 upon 3a plus b minus 2. Okay, so 3 upon a plus b equal to 7 upon 3a plus b minus 2. Cross multiply 3a plus b minus 2 that side, multiply 3a plus b minus 2 to the with the 3a plus b minus 2 and a plus b multiply with 7, so 7a plus b. Okay, 3 3 is a 9a, 3b, 3 2 is a 6, 7 into a 7a, 7b 7b, 7 into b, 9a, shift 7a this side, so 9a minus 7a, 3b, shift 7b this side, so 3b minus 7b, shift 6 to that side, it will be plus, because here it is in this side it is minus, so that side it will be plus. Okay, so plus 6, so 9a minus 7a, 2a, 3b minus 7b minus 4b equal to 6. Put the value of a, 5b in here, put the value of a equal to 5b here, so 2 into 5b minus 4b equal to 6. 2 5s are 10b minus 4b equal to 6, 10b minus 4b, 6b equal to 6, b equal to 6 upon 6, 1. Okay, so a equal to 5b, we are having a equal to 5b and b is 1, so put here in place of b 1, because we are having b, we have got b as 1, so put here 1, equal to 5 into 1 equal to 5. So values of a and b are, for a equal to, value of a is 5 and value of b is 1. Okay, now see the question number 2, second part for exercise 3.5. For which value of k will the following pair of linear equation have no solution? For which value of k will the following pair of linear equations have no solution? Okay, 3x plus y equal to 1 and 2k minus 1 x plus k minus 1 y equal to 2k plus 1. For what value of k this pair of linear equation have no solution? How will you solve this? See, now first equation is 3x plus y equal to 1 and second is 2k minus 1 x plus k minus 1 y equal to 2k plus 1. Shift 1 this side, so 3x plus y minus 1 equal to 0. So compare this equation as a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. a1 is 3, b1 is y, there is nothing with y, so we will assume that here it is 1, so b1 is 1, c1 is minus 1. Okay, compare this as equation with equation a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So A2 is 2k minus 1, B2 is k minus 1, and C2 is minus 2k plus 1, minus 2k plus 1. Okay, so A1 is 3. Now for no solution, we are having the case A1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2 not equal to C1 upon C2. For no solution, we are having case A1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2 not equal to C1 upon C2. Okay, leave this, and to find the value of k, use only this. Okay, so A1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2. A1 is 3, A2 is 2k minus 1, put 2k minus 1, B1 is 1, put here 1, B2 is k minus 1, put here k minus 1, multiply k minus 1 to the 3, so 3k minus 1, and multiply 2k minus 1 with 1, so 1 into 2k minus 1, 3 into k 3k, 3 into 1 3, 1 into 2k 2k, 1 into 1 1, shift 2k this side. Okay, 3k minus 2k and minus 1, here it is shift minus 3 to that side, it will plus 3k minus 2k is k, and minus 1 plus 3 is 2, so value of k is 2. So for the value of k equal to 2, this pair of linear equation have no solution. Okay, now see question number 3. Solve the following pair of linear equations by substitution and cross multiplication methods. Solve the following pair of linear equation by substitution and cross multiplication methods both. You have to solve these equation by both methods. Okay, how will you solve? See. Now first we will solve this by cross multiplication method. First equation is 8x plus 5y equal to 9. Shift 9 this side. 8x plus 5y minus 9 equal to 0. Compare this as a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. So a1 is 8, b1 is 5, and c1 is minus 9. So c1 is minus 9. Okay, and change this equation in the form 3x plus 2y equal to 4. 4 shift 4 this side, so 3x plus 2y shift 4 this side, so it will minus, so 3x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Compare this as equation a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So a2 is 3, b2 is 2, and c2 is minus 4. Okay, c2 is minus 4. Now solve this by using cross multiplication method. Write x, y and 1. Okay, shift here b1 b2, c1 place b1 b2, c1 c2, a1 a2 and b1 b2. Start from b, bb, cc, aa, b, ca, b. In the cycle, in last video I have explained you, in a cycle a, b, c are running. If a, b, c are running, then after a it will come before a, after b, after c there is b, and after b is there is c. These all are running behind each other. So after a it will come b, after b it will come c, after c it will come a, after a it will come b. So b, c, a, b, b, c, a, b. So b, c, a, b, and 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Okay, now down arrow downward, the first arrow downward, second arrow downward, third arrow downward, then shift arrow, then mark arrow upside. Okay, this side upside, and this arrow also upside. So b1 c2, when arrows are downside, it will be multiply and sign of plus. b1 c2 minus b2 c1, c1 a2 minus c2 a1, a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Okay, and x, because in play downside x is b1 b2 and c1 c2, b1 C2 minus B2 C1. In downside y is C1 C2 A1 A2. So y upon C1 A2 minus C2 A1, and downside 1 is there is A1 A2 B1 B2. So A1 B2 minus A2 B1. Now see this, shift B1, compare this with this. Okay, x upon B1 C2 minus B2 C1 compare with 1 upon A1 B2 minus A2 B1. So shift B1 C2 minus B2 C1 in place of 1. So here it will come B1 C2 minus B2 C1 upon A1 B2 minus A2 B1. You will multiply this, cross multiply. Okay, you will multiply B1 C2 minus B2 C1 with 1. So here it will come B1 C2 minus B2 C1. So B1 C2 minus B2 C1 upon A1 B2 minus A2 B1. Now put the value of B1 C2. B1 is 5, C2 is minus 4. 5 into minus 4, B2 is 2, B2 is 2, and C1 is minus 9. 2 into minus 9, here it was minus, so here it is minus. A1 B2, A1 is 8, 8 into B2 is 2, 8 into 2 minus A2 is 3, and B1 is 5, minus 3 into 5, 5 4 ja 20, minus 20, 5 into minus 4 minus 20, minus 2 into minus 9 plus 18, 8 2 ja 16 minus 15. Okay, minus 20 plus 18 minus 2, 16 minus 15 1, minus 2 upon 1, x equal to minus 2. Compare this y upon C1 A2 minus C2 A1 with 1 upon A1 B2 minus A2 B1. Shift multiply C1 A2 minus C2 A1 with 1. So here it will come C1 A2 minus C2 A1 upon A1 B2 minus A2 B1. Okay, compare this y upon C1 A2 minus C2 A1 equal to 1 upon A1 B2 minus A2 B1. Multiply this here, so it will come C1 A2 minus C2 A1 upon A1 B2 minus A2 B1. So value of C1 is minus 9, and A2 value of A2 is 3. So put here 3, minus C2 is value of C2 is minus 4. Put here minus 4. A1 is 8. So put here 8 upon A1 B2. A1 value of A1 is 8 and B2 is 2. So 8 into 2 minus A2. A2 is 3. B1 is 5. So put here 5. So minus 9 into 3 minus 27, minus 4 into 8 32, but minus into minus plus, minus 27 plus 32, 8 to the 16 minus 15, minus 27 plus 32, it will come 5, and 16 minus 15 1. So y equal to 5 upon 1, y equal to 5. So values of x equal to minus 2 and value of y is 5. Okay, now how will you solve this? By cross substitution method. By substitution method, how will you solve this? First equation is 8x plus 5y equal to 9, and second is 3x plus 2y equal to 4. From equation 1 is 8x plus 5y equal to 9. So shift 5y that side. So 8x equal to 9 minus 5y, because 5y will go that side, it will have sign negative. So 9y minus 9 minus 5y, shift 8 upon. So x equal to 9 minus 5y upon 8. Putting x equal to 9 minus 5y 8 in equation 2. Put this value in equation 2. So in 3 equation is 3x plus 2y equal to 4. In place of x it will come 9 minus 5y. So 3 into 9 minus 5y upon 8 plus 2y equal to 4. Now take LCM of this. So 8 it will come in whole upon 8 to just 8 into y into 8. 3 9 minus 5y plus 2y into 8 whole upon 8 equal to 4. Multiply 8 with 4. 4 into 8 and 2y into 8 16y. 3 9 minus 5y plus 16y equal to 4 8 ja 32. 3 into 8 27. 3 into 5 15y plus 16y equal to 32. 27 minus 15y plus 16y equal to 32. 16y minus 15y, it will come y. 27 plus y equal to 32. So y equal to, shift 27 that side, so y equal to 32 minus 27, so y equal to 5. Put the value of y. On putting y equal to 5 in equation 1, okay, equation 1 is 8x plus 5y equal to 9. Equation 1 is 8x plus 5y equal to 9. Okay, 8x plus 5y, value of y is 5. So put here 5 into 5 equal to 9. 8x plus 25 equal to 9. 8x equal to 9 minus 25. 8x equal to minus 16. 9 minus 25 minus 16. X equal to minus 16 upon 8. 8 will come in upon 8 to the 16. X equal to minus 2. So value of y is 5 and x equal to minus 2, as we got in previous. By using previous cross multiplication method, value of x was minus 2, and here in this x is also minus 2, value of y was 5, and here it was also is, here it is also 5. So we have solved these two equations by both methods, by substitution method and by cross multiplication. I hope you understand. After the question 4 I will explain in the next video of exercise 3.5. So thank you and have a good day for you.